Preparation of carboxylic acids from alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acids are obtained by oxidation of alkyl benzene with oxidizing agents. Generally, we use alkaline KMnO4, but we can also use esterified K2Cr2O7 or even dilute nitric acid. Again, I am repeating, aromatic carboxylic acids are obtained, like benzoic acid, are obtained by oxidation of alkyl benzene with oxidizing agents like alkaline KMnO4, esterified K2Cr2O7, or even with dilute nitric acid. In this reaction, irrespective of the length of the carbon chain, means irrespective of the number of carbon atoms in the side chain of the benzene, we will get benzoic acid. Now let us see few examples now. If I take methyl benzene, means toluene. Toluene when treated with alkaline KMnO4, I'll get benzoic acid. Then if I take ethyl benzene and treat with alkaline KMnO4, here also I will get benzoic acid. If I take propyl benzene, butyl benzene, or any alkyl benzene, irrespective of the number of carbon atoms in the side chain, we will get benzoic acid only. Okay, then what does it mean? The entire side chain will get oxidized to COH group, irrespective to length of the carbon chain. Again, I am repeating, alkyl benzene when treated with an oxidizing agent like alkaline KMnO4 will give benzoic acid. Here what we have to remember, irrespective of the length of the carbon chain, side chain, you will get benzoic acid. Means the entire side chain will get oxidized to COOH group, irrespective of the length. Then what is the reason here? Here if you see, the benzylic hydrogen is more reactive as compared to other hydrogens on the alkyl chain. This is benzylic carbon and hydrogen bonded to that benzylic carbon is benzylic hydrogen. The sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is bonded to benzene ring is benzylic carbon. And hydrogen bonded to that carbon is benzylic hydrogen. Benzylic hydrogen is more reactive because of higher reactivity of benzylic hydrogen as compared to other hydrogens on the alkyl chain. Oxidation occurs at this carbon. As a result, all alkyl benzenes will give the same benzoic acid. Okay, methyl group, primary, secondary alkyl chains. For example, in methyl, methyl group is attached. Here, primary carbon atom is attached. Now, if I take one more compound, here the carbon atom is secondary carbon atom. So, methyl group, primary, secondary alkyl chains which contain the reactive benzylic hydrogen are oxidized to carboxylic group. Means you will get benzoic acid. Whereas, if the carbon atom, if the benzylic carbon atom is tertiary, like this, if this compound is treated with alkaline KMnO4, there will be no reaction here. You will not get benzoic acid here. We will not get benzoic acid. What is the reason? There is no benzylic hydrogen which can get oxidized easily. So if there is no benzylic hydrogen, you will not get benzoic acid. Okay, tertiary alkyl chain do not contain benzylic hydrogen and hence are not oxidized to benzoic acid. Now, one more point is presence of electron withdrawing group on the benzene ring increases the reactivity of benzylic hydrogen. So, if I take this compound readily gets oxidized to benzoic acid. Means what I'll get? Para-nitrobenzoic acid I'll get here. So para-nitrotoluene, which is having a strong electron withdrawing NO2 group on the benzene ring, is more reactive than toluene, and it forms readily para-nitrobenzoic acid. Means presence of electron withdrawing group in the benzene ring increases the reactivity of benzylic hydrogen, and hence para-nitrotoluene is much more readily oxidized as compared to toluene. Now if there are two CH3 groups, both the CH3 groups, if there are two alkyl groups, both the alkyl groups will get oxidized to COOH group when treated with alkaline KMnO4. When I treat with alkaline KMnO4, both the CH3 groups will get oxidized to COOH. Okay, this is preparation of aromatic carboxylic acids from alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acids are obtained from alkyl benzene. Irrespective of the number of carbon atoms in the side chain, alkyl benzene will give benzoic acid provided there is benzylic hydrogen.